Okay, so in this problem, we did this a couple problems ago, but the same table. So we're given these flash drives and we randomly pick 2 flash drives. What's the probability that they're both 8 gigabyte? Well, basically, this is the way we want to think about this. If we reach in and pick one and we keep it, so earlier examples we did with replacement, we replaced it after we picked the first one, now we're not replacing it. So picking 2 is the same, you can think about it as picking 1 and keeping it, then what's left, you reach in and pick another one. So what's the probability the first pick is, so basically this is the same as what's the probability of picking an 8 gigabyte and then another 8 gigabyte and an 8 gigabyte. But we're not putting it back. So what's the probability the first one is an 8 gigabyte? Well, how many 8 gigabytes are there? There's 130 out of our total of 200. Now, what's the probability the second one is, sorry, this is a multiplication. What's the probability the second one is going to be an 8 gigabyte? Well, now we're really thinking of this. What's the probability the second one is an 8 gigabyte given that the first one was an 8 gigabyte? Well, if we picked an 8 gigabyte on the first pick and we didn't put it back, how many 8 gigabytes are left? 129. So on the second pick, there's only 129 8 gigabytes. How many are in total? There's going to be 199 because there's that one that we picked on the first pick and we didn't put it back. So the probability that both of them are 8 gigabytes is the product of those 2 fractions. And again, you can do the arithmetic there on multiplying those fractions.